Hi, Rasmus users. Today I'm going to show you how to run your session in Rasmus and how to send that appointment back over to Boost. So some things that are already set up for me, I have appointments that are already scheduled in Boost, and I can see those appointments listed right here on my homepage on the Rasmus side. From my homepage, I can click Go to Client. This would take me directly to that learner's homepage. I can also click up here to that particular learner and I can access the session right here from their homepage, or I can also just see all of the appointments for the month view, daily view, or even weekly view for this particular learner. So I'm going to click on the homepage and I'm going to click Start Session. It's here at the preparation page that I can see this orange bar that says that this session is linked to an appointment already. If I click these three dots here, I can change that appointment or even unlink that appointment if needed. But this is the appointment that is scheduled for me in Boost, and this is the one I want to keep. So I will go ahead and click Start Session. Here in my session, I'm going to go ahead and take data. I can take it across all the different programs. I can change my view on programs, just see one at a time, and then shuffle through. I can even start on my note by clicking the Edit Session Notes and going ahead and starting on that. And I can save that as a draft, continue taking data if I need to, and then go ahead and finish that session. Here I'm prompted back to complete my note. And then here is where I'm able to edit those times. Now, editing times for a BT is a user privilege, so some organizations may not allow for BTs to change the time on their session notes. Some may have the ability to request changes for that session note. In this instance, I am able to change my session times for my note, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I will hit continue and then go ahead and hit sign and save. From signing that here, that's going to update my times here at the top. I'm able to see that this is in that completed status, meaning that my note is completed and also I have signed my note. If there are other signatures that are required here, as long as those signatures are completed, you will be in that completed status here. And then from here, I'm able to click on these three dots. Again, I can unlink the appointment if I need to. This red chip here tells me that I am linked to an appointment. I can click on it as here as well and unlink it or change it if there are other sessions that I have the option to move it to. In this instance, as I mentioned, this is the session that I want to send back over to Boost, and everything looks correct here. So now all I will do, I will click on the button Send Now. This will send it over to Boost as a completed appointment. So I will select Send Now. And then from here, I see that this has successfully sent over. And we can see also that my status here has changed. It was completed and now it says transferred to Boost. Another thing that I could do as a self-audit is look at the history. And then from here, I can see some different filter views. I'm going to go ahead and remove the previous 7 days, and I can see, the difference between that transferred to Boost versus just a completed status. So this is a good way to just self-audit, and make sure that all the appointments that you have completed have been sent over back to Boost. I hope this is helpful.